The best way to make money as a life coach in 2023 is to not be a life coach in the first place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go one step further than defining yourself as just a life coach that will make getting clients 10 times easier. So someone's life broadly consists of their health, their wealth, their relationships, and their spirituality / personal development. Instead of positioning yourself as a life coach, it's easier to position yourself as helping someone get a result in one of these big 4 categories. And then once you get somebody in the door, you can coach them on all the areas of their life and do that deep work that you know they need. A couple years ago, I joined a high-ticket coaching program to help me grow my coaching business. Soon after I joined, they shipped me a copy of the book Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell Maltz about using visualization. They also taught me their 4-part productivity system. And then when I went to the live events, we talked about taking care of our health and being there for our families and all that other stuff that really goes into having a successful business. That stuff does overlap with making money as an online coach. If you don't have good health, you're not gonna have a lot of energy. If your relationships are not in a good place, there's no way your head's gonna be where you need to be. But that company branded themselves as a business coach. You know, they help people grow their businesses. That's actually why I paid them 10 grand to be a part of their program, is because I wanted to grow my business. So if you envision your business as a store people walk in, what sign would you put on the front to get more people to walk in the door? Would it make sense to say, come on in, I'll coach you with anything you need help on? Or would it make more sense to niche down and say, hey, I am a relationship coach. If you're looking to find an intimate relationship, walk through this door and I will help you. So what I've learned is that people just don't pay for generalized outcomes like, I will help you improve your life, nearly as easily as they're going to pay for something that's very specific, such as, I will help you generate passive income each month. I will help you find your soulmate. I will help you lose 50 pounds. I will help you cure your anxiety. So if you want to succeed as a life coach in 2023, my recommendation is that your first step is to niche down beyond being just a life coach. Choose one of the big 4 markets to help clients get a result within, and it's going to make it a lot easier to get clients. If you like this video, but you're still not exactly sure what to do to niche down your coaching offer or the outcome you provide for your clients, I've made this detailed training right here to show you exactly how to do it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.